अरे जी। અરે આ સ્લાઇડમાં શું થાય ખબર કે આપણે જ્યારે બી કંઈ કંટ્રોલ કરે તો આનું કંઈ આવી જાય.
Hello students, you all are welcome in grade 6. Today's chapter number 1, food, from where does it come from? In these chapters, we are going to learn plant parts, animal products, plant parts and animal products as source of food, then herbivores, then carnivores and omnivores. Second. બેગજાની હેલ્પર લિંક આપણે મૂકી દઈએ કયા ને બેટા
હાઇપરલિંક
એટલે now there are three categories of food, right? Herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. Herbivores means those animal who eats vegetables only. Carnivores eat flesh, and omnivores they eat both. Now you see food does it come from? Where it comes from? Okay, you see in plants these are the different parts of plants. There's roots, stem, leaves, flowers, seed, and they all belongs to herbivores. Now you see animal. These all parts that we eat. Herbivores animals, they eat these all parts. While in the case of animals, milk, meat, poultry, eggs, fish, right? So carnivores animal, they eat all these parts. And in the case of omnivores, living organism eat both plants as well as animals. Now, here, this point it is not in our topic, but though I am just telling in short that winnowing, hand picking, threshing, and sieving, it is the process of cleaning of food. Where winnowing, we can clean the food. Hand picking means we have to in seeds. There are so many that pebbles are there, small pebbles, and other impurities are there. So we just take out the impurities by hand picking method. Threshing method means it's the one type of thresher machine is there. So through that threshers, the rich part means covering part, it will be separated from that seed means husk and that main seed. Sieving means that everybody knows the sieving. है ना? Sieving means वो चारनी जैसे बोलते हैं. Yes, now you can see here. You see this woman. She does manually separating the seeds from the husk. Now husk which is lighter part, so it is flown away in the air. While this is this seed has a weight, so it is just collected on the ground over here, and that one is known as sieving winnowing method, right? But we do not want to go in details. That we will study in another chapters. Hand picking, you see, this person is doing hand picking. Right. Next. Threshing. Now this person is just manually is just threshing this is just separating seeds from the chaff. This is chaff. right? The process use the particles to pass through the stalk is called threshing. Separate the grains from stalk. This is stalks. In this process, the stalks are beaten to free the grain seeds. Sometimes threshing is done with the help of bullocks. Machines are used to thresh large quantities of grain. Now sieving, you see, everybody, students, I think you must have seen this sieving. This is also sieving over here. Wherever the construction is going on, you can see such type of this device. है ना? और ये तो आपने घर में देखी है. Now, students, we had done the activity that is source of food, right? And it is a regional variety. You see, in north, region north, which type of varieties people use chapati, paratha, puri, dal, sabji, lassi, kheer, meat. North in means Punjab, है ना? North in which type of that you must know the geography. So wherever the states in north, they people use this. In South people, upma, dosa, idli, rice, also vadakkam sahib, and nariyal chutney. While in the case of that East, you see the people use rice, fish, and curry. है ना? In East, in West direction, पोहा, खिचड़ी, पाव भाजी, अपने वाले है ना? यहाँ रहते हैं ना? अपने वाले means रोटी, कढ़ी, खमन, ढोकला, सब्जी, ये हमारा फूड है. राजस्थान में दाल बाटी चूरमा कढ़ी. गेट पंजाब में देखो, ये देखो दाल बाटी चूरमा कढ़ी. गेट पंजाब रोटी पराठा सब्जी, ये रहा छोले. कश्मीर में देखो कहवा मीट प्रिपरेशन राइस राजमा. तमिलनाडु इडली डोसा उपमा रसम, ये रहा साउथ वाला. केरला में देखो appam puttu payasam खीर मीन्स पायसम. आंध्र प्रदेश में देखो एपी उपमा डोसा राइस सांबर. गुजरात में देखो ढोकला कढ़ी रोटी. मुंबई में देखो पोहा पाव भाजी वड़ा पाव. और बंगाल में देखो बंगाल राइस फिश करी दाल.